So for this video, I will teach you how to pin comments on TikTok. So now go ahead and launch the TikTok application. Then on the right side of this page, you will see different icons. Now to pin for comments, tap on the comment icon. You will be presented with all of the comments regarding this video. So now choose the comment that you want to pin. This is done by pressing and holding that comment, in which this little prompt will appear on your screen. It will provide you with a variety of options, but along with this should be the pin comment. Select that option to pin the comment. But as you can see, I do not have this option in my prompt. So what I'm gonna do is to report this problem. To report this issue, just go back and tap on your profile icon, which is seen on the lower right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three horizontal lines located on the upper right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see Report a Problem. Select this option. Under Topics are a variety of issues that can be encountered when using the app. So since we are unable to pin a comment, our issue falls under follow, likes, or comments. That's why we have to tap on this option. Now tap the drop-down arrow beside comment and choose Other. Then tap on Need More Help. And from here, you can write the details about the issue that you are facing. And if you're done writing your message, you can hit the Submit button. And that is all for this video. Thank you and have a great day.